Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Sufyan Ahmed, HOD of Pharmacognosy. Now today I am going to discuss Indian system of medicine. In this session I will cover the Siddha system of medicine. So first of all, what is the traditional system of medicine? The basic introduction is that it is also known as the indigenous folk medicine, alternative medicine, comprises of medical aspect of knowledge, skill and practices based on the different culture and different people which are used to treat disease. It involves the various system being practiced throughout the world such as Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Homeopathy, Chinese system, etc. The Siddha system of medicine. This was practiced in the South India, especially Tamil Nadu. This system is believed to be older than Ayurveda, and the latter was derived from Siddha system. Agasthya was believed to the father of Siddha medicine, and he wrote a book known as Agithyar Charakku. The principle of Siddha in that the Trigana, and it is based on the three principles Vata, Pitta, Kapha. It is based on the principle Vata, Pitta and Kapha, which are also known as Trigunas. The Vata, the people with the predominant Vata are characterized by the stout, black, cold and inactive personalities. Increase the Vata, develop the flatulence, acidity, obesity, heart attack, etc. And next is the Pitta. The people which with the predominant Pitta are characterized by the lean, whitish, complainized, hot personalities. Increase the Pittas, show the early graying of hair, reddish eyes, burning chest, mental derangement, anemia. Kapha, the people with the predominant Kapha are characterized by the well built, the good complainized, well behave, the personalities. Increase the Kapha, lead to jaundice, heart attack, high fever, anemia, etc. The important note is that the Triguna, the three qualities together, that is the Vata, Pitta, Kapha and Patya, it refer to diet planning in the Siddha system. A particular guna in the body increases according to the time. The Vata is predominant. Vata in that at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pitta is predominant at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. and Kapha is predominant at the 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. The diagnosis of Siddha system. During the diagnosis of physician study, 8 things are there. The Nadi means pulse, the Ani is speech, Tavaka means tongue, Dhyam means body, Niram color, Malam faces, Mutram urine and Vizi means eyes. The treatment. The Siddha physician give the knowledge of 1000 herb and their effectiveness in the specific composition and formulation. Commonly medicine are prepared freshly for specific diseases. The formulation are prepared using the plant, animal, mineral, metal like the mercury, gold, silver, sulfur, zinc, copper, aluminium, borax and arsenic are used in small quantities. The following formulation are commonly used in the Siddha system of medicine. In that, Kasayam means decoction, Churna means powder, Thailam means medicated oil, the Chuligai means the pills and tablet, and Chinduram metal complexes, Basma means the calcinated drug. Diet in the Siddha system also give important to Patya restriction on diet. The example of the restricted and non-restricted diet: the non-restricted food, wheat, milk, ghee, pulse, tender, vegetable, goat meat, sugar, etc. And the restricted food: chicken, mangoes, coconut, fenugreek, mustard, sesame, almond, etc. So this is my more video, and you can search by my channel, YouTube channel, Pharma Education Dr. Sufyan Ahmed. And thank you for watching my video. So please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell like button. Never you miss your update. Thank you. And you can also visit my blog www.drsufyanahmed.blogspot.com. Thank you.